Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I will show you how to create a multi-step Zap in Zapier, allowing you to automate more complex workflows that involve several actions. Let's get started. First, log into your Zapier account and click the Create Zap button at the top left of your dashboard. Start by setting up your trigger. This is the event that will kick off your automation. For example, you might select an app like Gmail and choose New Email as the trigger event. Once your trigger is set and tested, you can add your first action by clicking the plus button below the plus button below the trigger step. Here, select an app where you want something to happen automatically, like sending a message in Slack or adding a row in Google Sheets. To add more actions, simply click the plus button again and repeat the process each time. Each action you add will run in sequence after the trigger occurs. This lets you build powerful multi-step workflows that can handle several tasks automatically. You can also add filters or paths to customize your Zap, making it run only when certain conditions are met, or branching your workflow based on different scenarios. Once you have added all the steps you need, test each one to make sure everything works smoothly. Finally, give your Zap a clear name and turn it on with the toggle in the top left corner. With multi-step Zaps, you can automate more of your daily work and save hours every week. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.